We'll show you how to turn off targeted ads in the Google Play Store. If you find this helpful and it fixes your problem, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you don't like targeted ads for any reason, you can easily turn them off, and we'll guide you through the steps. First, open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now scroll down and find Personalization in Play. At the top, you will see Play Personalization and History. Tap on it. From here, tap on Turn Off and Delete Activity. This setting may also apply to other Google services, so make sure you read the information and understand it. After that, tap Next. Now choose which activity you want to delete. You can select to delete everything, then tap Next and confirm it by pressing Delete. Once it's done, tap Got it, and this option